welcome back to my channel. Sorry if it's a little echoey in here. I'm in my bathroom and I wanted to do a quick video for you guys on some hairstyles that you can use when you have in your mini twist. And I didn't record a video on this because it happened over a span of days because I was very busy. But anyway, these are my mini twists. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would have saw a whole bunch of videos and pictures, hopefully, with these mini twists. So I'm going to show you a couple styles. And just a quick little plug, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If not, why haven't you already subscribed? You clicked on the video. Comment down below why you haven't subscribed or what video would make you subscribe, because I'm really trying to grow. So comment down below any video ideas that you would like to see from me, and let's get started. most of the styles that I would more than likely wear or come up with on the fly like this. So let me know which one was your favorite style down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You already made it to this video, so subscribe, comment down below, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.